Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a capture card for Nintendo Switch. First, gather your essential equipment. You will need a capture card, at least 2 HDMI cables, and 1 USB 3.0 cable. Also, ensure you have a computer with sufficient processing power and storage. These items are crucial for a smooth setup and high-quality recording experience. Now, let's get everything connected. First, plug one HDMI cable from your Nintendo Switch dock into the capture card's HDMI input port. Next, take a second HDMI cable and connect it from the capture card's HDMI output to your television. Finally, use the USB 3.0 cable to link your capture card to your computer. This establishes the video and data flow. With the hardware connected, it's time for the software. Install the specific capture software provided by your capture card manufacturer onto your computer. Once installed, launch the application and select your capture card as the primary video input source. Take a moment to configure your desired video resolution, frame rate, and audio settings to ensure the best possible recording quality. You are now ready to record or stream your Nintendo Switch gameplay. Within your capture software, simply click the Record or Stream button to begin. Pay close attention to your audio levels to ensure both game sound and any microphone commentary are perfectly balanced. Remember to save your captured footage in a high-quality format, ready for editing, sharing, or uploading to your favorite platforms.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.